Hi all, we are presenting our documentary about Umeed Bhawan Palace presented by Rohit Chandrasekharan and Mohammad Sabit from Bivok Travel and Tourism, St. Albert's College Autonomous, Ernakulam. Now we moving on to the introduction of Umeed Bhawan Palace. Umeed Bhawan Palace, located in Jodhpur in Rajasthan, India, is one of the largest private residence. A part of the palace is managed by Taj Hotels, named after Maharaja Umeed Singh, grandfather of President Honor Gajat Singh. The palace has 347 rooms and is the principal residence of former Jodhpur royal family. A part of the palace is a museum. The groundbreaking for the foundation of the building was carried out on 18th November 1929 by Maharaja Umeed Singh, and the construction work has completed in 1943. Next we moving on to the history of Umeed Bhawan Palace. The history of building the Umeed Bhawan Palace is linked to Qus Bayasan, who had said that a period of drought would follow the good ruler of Rathore dynasty. This after the end of the about 15-year reign of Pratap Singh, Jodhpur faced severe drought and famine in the 1920s for a period of 3 consecutive years. The farmers of the area, faced with the hardship, sought the help of the then Maharaja Umeed Singh, who was the 37th Rathore ruler of Marwar at Jodhpur, to provide them with some employment so that they would survive the harsh condition. The Maharaja, in order to help the farmer, decided to build a lavish palace. Facilities. Set on 26 acres of garden, this elegant hotel in the grand building was once home to the Jodhpur royal family. It's 7 km from Bhagat Ki Kothi railway station and 10 km from Mandor Garden. The regal rooms and suites feature flat screen TVs, DVD players, free Wi-Fi and mini bars, Art Deco or neoclassical style suites, and add living rooms. Some provide balconies or dining rooms with kitchens. Room service and in-room massage are available. Parking and breakfast are free. There's international restaurant and any open air cafe. Other amenities including BBQ eater and a bar, plus indoor and outdoor pools. A spa offers Ayurvedic treatments and yoga. Wedding plans. If you are planning to stay, I do in style and nothing but royalty can fulfill your desire, then a destination wedding in Rajasthan in your literally one key solution, the land of culture and traditional vibrance. Mandap. Set up your mandap at this royal palace according to your theme. Table and chairs. It is advisable to have a count of the guests for many proper sitting arrangements. Easel. Decorate your easel with dazzling props and make it nothing less than dreamy. Centerpieces. Elevate the aura of your event by positioning captivating centerpieces. Stage. Browse through the plethora of options and select the stage according to the theme of the event. Dance floor. The way to celebrate is through dance, so it is requested that you arrange for a dance floor as well. Lighting. The Golden Palace looks stunning in the subtitle hues of amber. is equal to 60 lakhs to 70 lakhs. Food is equal to 16 lakhs to 22 lakhs. Total cost 76 lakhs to 92 lakhs. However, the above mentioned stats give you an estimated total of your accommodation and food expense at Umeed Bhawan Palace. There are few more nuances you have to keep in the account. Hotel policies. Check-in from 2 p.m. Check-out till 12 p.m. Earlier check-in and the late check-out on request. We accept American Express, Dinner Clubs, MasterCard, Visa, ECB, International, Explore, Taj Kids, A Kids program, subject to availability. Based on the adventure, discover, question all the while keeping in mind fun daily learning. Choose from whole host of complimentary and paid activities of the hotel during your stay. Pets are welcomed. Next is Maharaja suite. The Maharaja suite is adorned with exotic Stephen Nor bowling, murals, flaming chrome torches, plush railmen, fox leopard skin, sofas and original artifacts designed in earthly tones with a red bar. This suite is visually treat. The size of the suite 390 square feet is the area of the suite. The rate of the suite is 2,60,949 rupees is the cost of the suite. Overseeing the hotel wing of the palace is run by Taj Group of Hotels and is called the Taj Umeed Bhawan Palace, Jodhpur. Umeed Bhawan Palace, located in Jodhpur in Rajasthan, India, is the one of the world's largest private residence. A part of the palace is managed by Taj Hotels, named after Maharaja Umeed Singh, grandfather of President Honor Gaj Singh. The palace was 347 rooms and its principal residence of former Jodhpur royal family. A part of the palace is museum. Thank you all.